Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install Elasticsearch in the Ubuntu machine. I hope you guys know about the Elasticsearch. If not, please go and learn about the Elasticsearch. This video is just only to show you guys how we can install Elasticsearch service in the Linux machine. Okay, this is the website elasticsearch.co. So downloads Elasticsearch. When you go here and you can see the Elasticsearch in the different operating system. So for the Linux, we can do the dev this one or whatever your system is. Okay, and go ahead and download here. But I'm showing the other way. If you have the internet accessible from your Ubuntu machine, so you can install Elasticsearch from the command line. Okay, so I will give you the command for the installation later on in this video in the description. So this my Ubuntu machine already have internet available, so my goal is to install Elasticsearch from the command line. I hope this video will help you guys to install Elasticsearch. Okay, let's get started, guys. Okay, so to install Elasticsearch, we have to install the Java JDK first, and let's do that. Apt install OpenJDK. OpenJDK. Okay. Oh, it's not installed. Okay, one is the apt. Let's do the default JDK. Okay. Okay. Yes. So Java is required for the Elasticsearch, so make sure you have installed Java properly in your system before actually starting the Elasticsearch. Okay, so let's keep going. Alright, so now we're gonna put this first command for the Elasticsearch. This command is to import the Elasticsearch public key to our repository. Okay, so I'm gonna enter it, and it says okay, and it should come okay here. If you don't have internet accessible or anything, you won't get this. Okay, so make sure you got this correct. And now I'm gonna add the file on the source.list for the repository for the Elasticsearch, the file. Okay, yep, this is added on our repository. If you want to see, you can see from here in what is called etc apt. Okay, apt and source.d, right? Listed. Okay, it comes here now, right? So you see over here Elasticsearch 7.list. This is added on our repository. Now we have to now what we can do is we're gonna just update apt update. Okay, and we are actually installing Elasticsearch now. Once it updates everything. Okay, so this is the command to install Elasticsearch. Apt install Elasticsearch. Yep. All right. And once it gets installed, we have to configure certain things from the Elasticsearch YML file. That is the file that our Elasticsearch related configuration stores there. So let's wait until it gets installed completely. All right, it's now installed. Okay. Now what we need to do is cd etc Elasticsearch, and here is the file name Elasticsearch YML file, and here first of all I'm gonna take this IP address, so, and this IP address is here 192.168.42.141. I copied that, and I'm gonna go here and give the name. Well, you can give anything for the node name, right? But I'm just, well, let's leave it, right? And data path, I'm gonna give this to the director that I made is my SPSC space. And you have always need to uncomment this bootstrap memory.log, so make sure you have done this. And network host name is the IP address of the machine that you are configuring. So in this case mine is 192.168.142.141, and you don't have to put enable because it's going to take by default. So I'm just gonna leave it like there. And here discovery seed host, since I have only one server, so I'm just gonna give this my this name, and the bootstrap cluster initial master node. If you don't have cluster, you can just give me one. You can just give one the cluster name that you are working machine name. And I don't have configured any the DNS settings, so I'm just putting the name. Okay, this is good. And what else we need to do? We gotta make sure our folder is accessible map. Okay, this folder needs to have the Elasticsearch permission for the Elasticsearch ch on -r Elasticsearch. Okay, Elasticsearch. I had already installed Elasticsearch here before doing this video, that's why it's already came the Elasticsearch name. But make sure make sure you give the full permission for this folder where you have put in the YML file. Okay. So vim etc Elasticsearch YML file, right? Yeah, this file. You may remember, this permission, you have to give the full Elasticsearch permission for it. Alright guys, one more thing we have to make sure is Elasticsearch the cd usr lib oh, I forgot that name. SOS system status. Okay, Elasticsearch. Okay, so this for on here, right? We have to change one more thing to really. Okay, here we have to install. We have to add one more thing. My bad. Okay. Okay. So here on the top, and you have to add this line. Limit MEMLOCK. Make sure you exactly put the word how I put it there. Okay. Infinity. Okay, if you don't put exactly like this, and your server may not work properly, so make sure you have done. Okay, so one more thing, you have to put here the all the what is called the Java name here, so that way you can run properly. You may. Okay, so I'm just giving my Java name. It is Java 11.1.17. So I'm gonna show you guys why I put it Java version that is installed here. Java instance version. Okay, you see the Java OpenJDK. My bad, I gotta put the OpenJDK here. Okay, here JDK, and I can also. Okay, after that you have to enter the bash command, and everything is perfect. Now SS assistant start search.acl okay, it's gonna take a little bit time, very first time. I hope it will come back. If anything comes, we'll resolve it. For now, let's wait if it works properly or not. Okay, alright, this systemctl status elastic. You know what? I just want to see this status. Okay, it is up and running. And how we can take this from URL is just going in the URL, and there is the command. Sorry, the URL you can try http, and that's the name of it. If it comes here, and it is good to go. Yep, it is up here, right? That means Elasticsearch is working fine. And you want to see the health of Elasticsearch. The our URL is cluster underscore cluster health. I have already came here because I have run this earlier. Okay, this is green, and cluster name by default Elasticsearch, and timeout false, and this all comes after this one. If you don't able to see this one, if you are not able to see this one, that means your Elasticsearch installation is something wrong, so you have to go back and check everything. However, if you follow the steps that I have done here, you won't have any issue. Alright, thank you very much for watching this video.